All packed, ready to go. We got some stuff for the 4C. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Welcome back to the channel. Today, as you can see from the thumbnail, we got some mods for the 4C. We're gonna head out to my friend Aaron's place. He's done this before, but without further ado, here's a cold start of my Alfa Romeo 4C. I want you to take a listen. Keep that in mind, all right? All right, I feel like we need more noises.
The next right onto
We can get it. A little bit. All right, we are back in the house, and yeah, this video might be a little bit confusing because those first few clips you saw, I recorded that like weeks ago, if not maybe a month or maybe even more. What you're gonna see now, before I show you guys, I guess, end result, the sounds, the crazy sounds, and you might have already heard some of those sounds in some previous videos because so much time has passed since the install of the intake. Where was I going with this? Anyways, before I give you guys those new sounds and talk over or go over the install, a couple things. One, I didn't record the install. I'll throw up a couple images right here. You can see Aaron having his head all up inside the wheel well. The wheel well had to come off, and then he was in there doing his thing. He already had experience on this with another 4C. Yeah, I didn't record the process. It was just a awkward situation, and I didn't want to record while I was there. But yeah, nonetheless, thanks so much to Aaron for getting that installed. Another thing before we move on to the sights and sounds, well, not really sights, but the sounds of the new intake, is something else visual that we got from Beau Reid. Again, the guy that did the custom knobs has come through again with something custom, very nice. And if you guys are in the community, you might already know what this is, and I'm rambling, so let's just go ahead and show you. All right, here we are. This is super nice, really good work, again by Beau. And I might be saying his name all wrong. It's probably not like a Bayou. Man, hopefully he watches this and he can correct me how to say his name. Either way, he has come through again, and we got all real carbon fiber. If you guys can't tell, this is an engine cover. I do have a carbon fiber engine cover, which is basically a carbon fiber version of the stock engine cover. So here, I'll just show you guys real quick. Carbon fiber version of the stock engine cover looks like, yeah. And bam, there you go. Here it is, the carbon fiber version of the stock engine cover. Yeah, let's get the new one on. This should be really easy. Pretty much just a matter of pulling this up. I probably need both of my hands, but it should just pop right off. And yeah, while we're here, yeah, you could see the red intake. All right, once everything's just kind of popped off, this just kind of comes off. If you guys never seen a 4C engine, yeah, it looks pretty damn messy. That's why they cover it up, man, because it just looks like a freaking nightmare. Imagine seeing that through the window. Yeah, it's not a good look. So yeah, there we are. There is the carbon fiber version of the stock engine cover. Here is the new one, custom, completely custom. I forget how many he made. Maybe I'll put it down in the description how many were actually made of these, but it's super limited, very limited run. Look at that, it's just a square, and then you got this beauty. We'll get that on real quick. I'll show you the stock one, but it's somewhere up there. So maybe I'll sell the stock one, keep the carbon fiber one as a backup, or maybe sell this one. Maybe I could talk to some friends, give them a nice deal on these, because they're not that cheap also. All right, and didn't mention this. This is like a billet metal. This should all just go right down. Original oil cap. And look, we got the heat foil thingy majingy right underneath, and you can see that there. Should be able to just go right in there, plug and play. Woohoo, there we are, all nice and put on. And yeah, this, I know some people beforehand were wondering like, oh, will this cover too much and not enough heat come out? But in actuality, there is a lot more openings. This thing looks really good. If I had something to complain about, it'd be how like you could see the heat foil thingy just kind of dangling there. Maybe that's an easy fix. A little bit right here, it's not completely cut nicely, but that's easy as well. But other than that, the carbon fiber itself looks good. The design looks great. You could see the oil cap right there, and yeah, easy install. Let's see what it looks like with the hood closed. All right, so we got the garage now closed, so there's a little bit less reflection, and you could see down in there. Trust me, if you were to see this in person, this thing looks amazing. And wow, I wish Alfa Romeo would have done something like this, but I mean, I get it. the cost. I'm sure if they would have had to do this for all of their cars, it would have been just more added to the MSRP. So totally cool. Love the fact also that this is custom. It's one of, I forget how many, not many of these were made. It looks really good. The red, the billet, the metal, it looks so nice. The carbon fiber, you know, I'm a fan of carbon fiber, obviously. If you guys follow the channel, it's like all over the place in this car. The whole chassis is carbon fiber. So yeah, really cool. The foil looking heat mechanism thingy majiggy underneath probably needs to get trimmed a little bit here and there. And other than that, I am satisfied with this. Definitely a happy customer. Definitely this is going to get the attention of other 4C owners, or even if you don't own one. But yeah, it'll definitely get the attention of the folks that have it and are like, whoa, especially if they don't know that this was even something they can get from our friend who put this together. So yeah, anyways, time to get back to the intake. All right, it's been a minute since I've, oh, more than a minute. It's been days. So here's a cold start. Oh yeah. God damn. Whew. All right. We're gonna try that from like a complete stop. This is, oh man, there's also, oh, the police station is just down the block too. Yeah, maybe no, maybe not here. Here we go. I didn't check to see if there's any cops around. Oh boy. Okay. Anyways, woo. And we'll try that again. Whoa, jeez. Okay. All right. Yes. All right, something funny just happened. There was a little kid in a van right next to me, and he goes, wow, a Lamborghini. And so I just think to myself, it must be the intake and the engine cover. I mean, that's, other than that, this car looks nothing like a Lamborghini. But thanks, a lot cheaper than a Lamborghini. All right, after all that driving around, I'm pretty hungry, so only the best for me. All right, back with the 4C. Lovely sounds. Hopefully the microphone picked it up well. Shout out to Aaron for doing this for me. Thank you so much. Really appreciate the hard work you put into getting that installed, because yeah, that's, I'm way too big to get where you got. So yeah, thank you so much, Aaron, for that. Video took a really long time to come out. Again, I was just kind of sitting on the video. I was gonna release it at some point. And then once I got the engine cover, I was like, man, I'm not gonna make a whole video just on the engine cover, so might as well do it all at once. Let me know down in the comments if you guys want to hear more noises of it, or actually, you know what, I might just do it with the GoPro, set a microphone like maybe directly into the back, and we'll see how that goes. Another thing to note, the engine cover looks really cool when you're looking at it through the back window. If you're a 4C owner, you know what I'm talking about, but it does move around, shake around a lot more than the normal one does. So yeah, there's that. Yeah, I mean, nothing's perfect. Anyways, if you guys liked the video, make sure to give that a thumbs up, share with anyone that might like this type of content. If you haven't done so, please subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later.